National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from East Fowl River Bridge to 25 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy to 42 nautical miles east of Pilottown, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Gator Island, Sand Island Lighthouse, Gulf Shores Beach, Dolphin Island Bridge, Fort Gaines, Fort Morgan, Bon Secours Bay, Farewell Buoy and Middle Bay Light. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi. This is NOAA Weather Radio.